Hello there! Climb aboard the LEGO City 60,197 passenger train. This fun set features a motorized engine with 10-speed Bluetooth remote control and opening nose cone, driver's cabin with opening window, 2 cars with removable roofs, seats and tables, a full circular track with 16 curve and 4 straight rails, plus a buildable platform with 2 seats and train service map, train signal and 4 LEGO minifigures. Includes 4 LEGO minifigures, 2 passengers, a train conductor and a train attendant.